So here again, this is the final video just to run you through the last few things. So I'll keep saying it and I'll say it again, that remember to make a backup of the website before we do any work. There's different sections of the website that aren't listed under pages. For example, this header area here and this footer area here. This is probably one of the things where if you do want to make changes in here, I would suggest getting in touch with me and either getting me to do it, or I can make you another video. So basically, those areas are under here, under Divi. So if we hover over Divi and the theme builder, because each WordPress website works under a theme, so you have to select a different theme. This website will use the Divi theme, which also uses the Divi builder. And you can see here, this is the area where the global header, so it's global is on every single page of the website. Same with the footer. If we want to make changes, we can click in here. That's one of the things where I would suggest getting in touch with me first if you want to make changes. And just running through, there's a whole bunch of stuff down here that's not going to be relevant for you. Divi Engine, that refers to how the website looks on your mobile phones. WP encryption, all this stuff down here. It looks complicated. It can look scary if you've never been in the back end of a website before. You can simply ignore it. Remember, if you just want to make changes, come to pages. If you just want to upload media to the website, we click on media. And these are probably the two main things that you'll use. Things like posts refer to blog posts, and we don't have any of that on the website. So the media library, we can just add new, select files, and it'll ask us to select a file from our website. We can upload PDFs, even videos, images, all different types of images, and then we can place that onto the pages of the website. So I'll just do one little quick last run through of the Divi builder. So let's go to annual report, and just say we want to add something new that's not already there. We don't want to change something. We want to say add a video. Say we've got a video here that we want to add. So from YouTube, for example, we can just copy the YouTube link. Give it a moment to load. So we have that hero section, which we don't really want to touch, and then page content, we can just open that up. And then on this page, which is the annual report, the blurb, so that's just the image. There'll be an image of a file, and when people click on it, they can download the annual report. So click here to download the annual report, and then that has been inserted, so people can download it by clicking the link. Anyway, you can leave that one as well. But if you wanted to add something new, you just click here, and then you can choose which kind of module you want to add. As you can see, there's lots of different ones. I want to add a video. So I believe there's a video module down here, video. And then click add video, insert from a URL. And we just paste in that YouTube URL that we got. Insert in the page. Click here to save it. And then click update. And then that'll be on the page. It's pretty straightforward. So it'll only be in 1/3 of the page, as you can see here. It'll only take 1/3 of the page. If we wanted to add a video that'll take up the whole page, we can make a new row by clicking here. So this is just one row. There are other options you can, as you can see here, heaps of different options of the layouts. But if we just want to do the one, click there, and then it'll ask us what module we want to add. And we want to add a video. So click video, add the video. So you can either add it from your media library, which we just discussed from here. It says there's no videos in there presently, or we can insert from a URL. The page, click the green arrow or the green tick to save it, and then that video will be at the bottom of the page, taking up the full amount of the page. So delete those because this is an example. Any other issues, anything you're not sure of, please get in touch and ask me. Only good piece of advice, the biggest piece of advice I can give you is just make sure you make it back up before you start. And yeah, that should be all good. Thanks very much.